Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So we return of the King Mukbang. I see how much he's changed in the second part. If he changed back normal, I may not call SCP, right? Oh, he changed, never mind. SCP formation. Some good game, I played a long time ago. Anyway, so we'll be reacting right now, second part. So you ready? Oh my lord. Don't tell me roll falling in that your fire. Oh shit! Eat it. Her. Nice shot! Oh my god. Following its reborn. That's how the origin story. Those spoilers down. What? Don't tell me he's using the AI or stopping. Don't. Wow. Very interesting what we call what we thought. No shit. I'm not expecting today something more than that. So it can't call with SCP formation anyway. So thank you for watching this video. Don't click to find me comment, me like, okay? I'll see you next time or tomorrow or anytime. If I'm done for night. Good to start. Hey, on my YouTube. So have a great night. Bye.